AI is taking over the world, yeah, or is it? From offices in New York to factories in Berlin, automation is transforming how we work. So today we're asking the big question, are machines really taking over our jobs and you're just changing them forever? Here's what's actually happening. Yes, AI is automating routine tasks, data entry, basic analysis, even some creative work. But here's the twist. It's also creating entirely new roles we never imagined. Think about it. 20 years ago, social media manager wasn't a job. Neither was app developer or drone operator. So technology doesn't just eliminate work. Yeah, it reshapes it. The real question isn't whether AI will change your job. It's whether you'll adapt with it. Companies using AI aren't just cutting staff, they're upskilling them, teaching humans to work alongside machines, not compete with them. So while headlines scream about robot takeovers, the reality is more nuanced. AI isn't replacing creativity, empathy, or complex problem solving. It's amplifying them. The future of work isn't human versus machine, it's human plus machine. And that future, it's already here. In 2025, AI isn't science fiction anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Copilot are already handling tasks once done by humans, writing reports, coding, designing, even customer service. A recent US survey shows that nearly 40% of companies use AI to automate routine work. Across Europe, firms in London, Paris, and Amsterdam are doing the same, not to replace people, but to boost productivity. But here's where it gets interesting. The numbers tell a complex story. Globally, 78% of organizations now use AI in at least one business function. That's up from just 55% a year ago. ChatGPT alone has over 400 million weekly users, with Gemini and Copilot following behind. Yet when we look at firm-level adoption in the US, only 9.7% of businesses officially report using AI. And here's the kicker. 95% of generative AI pilots at large companies are failing, according to MIT research. So what's really happening? Individual employees are embracing AI tools, but many companies are still figuring out how to implement them successfully at scale. The manufacturing sector is leading the way with 77% adoption for production and inventory management. The bottom line, AI adoption is real. It's happening now, but success requires strategy, not just tools. So, which jobs are on the line? Data entry and administrative roles are increasingly automated. Customer support is shifting to AI chatbots. Manufacturing is seeing smarter robots handling precision tasks, but it's not all bad news. New roles are emerging in AI ethics, data analysis, prompt engineering, and automation management. The future workforce isn't shrinking. It's evolving. AI is powerful, but humans bring something algorithms can't replicate: creativity, empathy, and complex decision making. Think about marketing campaigns, product design, or leadership. These depend on emotional intelligence and innovation. Even in a world full of automation, companies still need human judgment to guide the machines. While everyone's panicking about AI stealing jobs, the smartest companies are doing something completely different. The top businesses in the US and Europe aren't replacing employees with AI. They're training employees to use AI. Think about it this way. Imagine an accountant who uses AI to automate routine reports. Instead of losing their job, they now have extra hours to help clients with strategic planning and business growth. That's the real future of work. Humans and AI working side by side. AI handles the repetitive tasks while humans focus on creativity, strategy, and relationship building. The companies that get this right won't just survive the AI revolution, they'll dominate it. Because at the end of the day, the most powerful combination isn't human versus AI, it's human plus AI. If you're worried about AI taking your job, focus on skills that AI can't easily copy: creativity, communication, leadership, and problem solving. And start learning how to use AI tools to make yourself faster, smarter, and more valuable at work. So, are machines taking over our jobs? Not yet, but they're transforming how we work forever. What do you think? Will AI replace more humans or make us better at what we do? Comment below with your thoughts. And if you want to stay ahead, check out my LinkTree for a list of free AI tools trending in the US, UK, and Europe, plus tutorials to help you future-proof your career. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly videos on AI, tech, and the future of work.